Oh, did you see how fast I whipped around? Good morning. It's still very dark outside. I stayed up until 2:30 in the morning because I was so excited for this trip. I could not sleep. It's about a 2-hour drive and it has been pouring here. The weather in Lumpkin says that it is 72 and sunny. So fingers crossed on that one. Okay, let's go. Gotta grab breakfast, a new battery for my flashlight, and a battery for my DSLR. And I want to capture some images of the sunset. Starving, but I've got my coffee and I'm ready to go. Everything has been checked. Let's get on the road. Stopped by Walmart to grab a few extra things. The backpack that I had didn't have this molly webbing, which I really want. I'm gonna put my canteen on the molly webbing, and I got a first aid kit, some wipes, bug spray for sure. I grabbed some 35mm film for my Canon. Only had about 10 frames left on it and it's all running now. I'm very excited to use it. I think I'm gonna get some really cool shots. I just got here. It is a Tuesday and it's 10:20 a.m. so almost nobody is here. Look at this view. This canyon may not be the canyon from Arizona, but I'm already sweating like it is, and I'm definitely regretting not bringing sunscreen for my whole body. Well, a pro tip that I can give you, you do not want to start back there. Technically where I'm at right now is the end where you come out, but you want to stop here because holy crap, the views are incredible. I mean, yes, it looks amazing on camera. In person, it's 3,000 times different. I found a leaf bug. Look. He was on his back, so I flipped him over. Right, now you have to get off of me. So this is what that molly webbing is for. I've got my canteen, utensils, and my cooking equipment. I don't really need it. I just wanted to use it because me and my dad are camping nerds. You're gonna have to pay a $5 parking fee. I know we could probably easily get away with it, but it goes towards conserving the park, and it's $5. The rest of it is free, besides all of the things you bought to bring with you. But yeah, everything else is free. If you're looking for views, pictures, you want that quintessential canyon experience, you're gonna wanna take the White Loop Trail. Backcountry Red Trail, it's harder. It's about 6.5 miles. Don't be intimidated by it, but the views are nowhere near like the White Loop Trail. It's basically just mud and trees. You're going to take this path that's on the side of the road. Looks like a little red beaten path. Once you see the columns, you are good to go. The visitor center is gonna be right up here. Amazing and amazingly hot. It makes you feel so small. Can you see where that old fence post used to be? The ground is still constantly eroding. Look at that view. Incredible. If there's a visitor center or somebody who runs the park or the establishment, let them know who you are and why you're there. It lets somebody know the last time that they saw you. So when you come out of the visitor center, then you're gonna come right here to the trailhead, which gives you this big map and details about which trail you wanna go on. Behind it, you've got another awesome view. So this is kind of how steep you can expect it to be. It's a little bit difficult to tell in video. It is fairly straight down, and you need to wear some good shoes that give you ankle support and so that you can kind of grit on this red clay mud and all of these rocks. Give you guys updates on the way. On the difficulty level, I'm doing really okay right now. The weather is really quite beautiful. There's a little bit of a breeze going. This part of the trail is what's called a water table. There's a thin layer of water on top of the soil bed that indicates how much water there is beneath the soil, flowing downstream just delicately enough that it leaves these beautiful patterns in the sediment and in the sand. This is the plum leaf azalea, which is extremely rare, and it only grows here close to the water table of the canyon. Oh, and also, pro tip, canyon number 5, the prettiest and the best place to get pictures. So when you go down initially, the white trail, you're gonna take a left at the water table, and that's gonna lead you up here towards the canyon number 5. I am starting to enter where the canyon is. Look at this. You start to get to these places on the side where the canyon walls are up around you. And you can tell that you're getting close. And this is the cliff I caught a glimpse of while I was up there. We just made it to our first canyon. Oh my gosh, look at that. How incredible is that? And we've got more little hideaways and greenery. Oh my goodness. You can see that up there, the lookout. So I actually had people waving at me just now from up there. There they are. Now this is where a lot of the modern hieroglyphs, as you would call them, are located. It's kind of cool to see how everybody left their mark, but at the same time, it doesn't need to be altered. So, you know, as long as people are allowed to come here, we can't change. I don't know how people got all the way over there to do that, because look at how far away it is from me. Oh my gosh. I'll show you guys the aerial. I really hope that is not a thunderstorm rolling in. That is not going to be fun. I gotta get back down there. So I'm about 3 hours in and I'm still feeling really good. I think that's also due to the cloud cover. There's a thunderstorm rolling in. I felt sprinkles of rain just a second ago. So that's the only thing that is
concerning me at the moment.
Other than that, this has been really easy so far. There are signs that say don't go past certain points, but there are many places where it's well traveled and it looks like an awesome place for a picture. So that is going to be up to your discretion. We're all adults here, but you should abide by the signs that are in the park to keep you safe. When you're walking, you're definitely gonna wanna walk heel to toe. And look at this view behind me, because as you're walking, the sand gets kicked up behind your heels and goes straight in your socks. And then you have the worst grinding, rubbing feeling
ever.
I'm going to Canyon 1 right now, and you can kind of see what the landscape looks like behind me. There's a lot of roots, and the path isn't as clear, so keep your head about you. It's just a little hidden, and it's gonna be right up here past this big fallen tree. Oh man. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go back the other way now. Canyon 1, I would not recommend. This is a lot more just kind of going through the woods. It's a lot bumpier. It's a lot more difficult. If you have a fear of being in the woods alone, this trail is gonna make you feel that. Just got to Canyon 2, gives you more of those views. If you can see, this one goes all the way up. I just had people talking to me from there, I think. Let me go see. I'm really curious because look, it looks like this. Wait until you see it. That's where the lookout drops off, where I was talking about the fence. That's where it drops off. That's incredible. Do you see those colors? Legs have started shaking, so that usually means that I'm dehydrated. And I gotta be careful because my phone is about to die. This is my little canteen. Oh, it's still ice cold. That's amazing. He has no fear, man. In it though, because it felt so good because I'm so hot and I definitely got sunburned, so I'll have a little testament to my hiking today.